Hi everyone. I wanted to go through some of the packets that I sent through on Friday, just as a little directions in case there's some questions about what needs to be done. And if you still have any questions after I'm done, just let me know. So I'm going to show you the packets, just explain kind of what I'm expecting. When you are done, like I said in the letter, you can just take a picture and send it in to me so I can make sure that it's done. And the next week we'll start doing new materials, so that will be all ready for you in the office, and you would need to pick that up by Monday. Then the work that is being sent home that Monday, we'll start making videos starting that Tuesday and Thursday. So you'll have the work ahead of time once you're watching the video, because some of them will be step by step. You'll do the stuff with me, and then the other ones will be just directions, and you will go from there and work on your work from there. So we'll go through these, and then when you're done, just send them to me so I can make sure that you guys completed them and that everything looks good and you guys understand what's going on. So first, we have this paper. This is the first set of the packets. Says addition up to 10. So each of these, it's a problem. So you could see, like for the example, this first one has 3 cats plus, and then we have another cat. So my expectation is count how many, write the number on the line. Count how many, write the number on the line. Then how many are there in all? We've been working on addition. So the final problems, the final answer will be down here. Cut that out, glue it on there. Make sure you put your name at the top. And then our next paper is we're missing letters. So you want to use your pictures and use the letters that we have and finish the word. Then you're going to, on this line, write the word in your best handwriting. So for example, this little girl looks like she might be upset, or another word for upset would be sad. So we have our S-A-D-S-A-D. So we would put the letter there, our D that makes the D sound, and then we would rewrite the word on this line. And then we would do the next ones according to what the picture is and fill in the letter. Then we have our next set of missing letters. Same thing. Look at the picture, figure out what the picture is showing you and what the letter is missing. Rewrite that word underneath in your best handwriting, and then when you're all done, you can send that to me as well. These are our number orders. Our directions are cut and paste the honey pots in order from 11 to 20. So we have all of our numbers down here below. You're going to put them in order starting with number 11, and you're going to go from here, go across, glue them all until they're all in number order. This one is sorting AM to PM. So we have some pictures down here, and AM means it's morning time or during the day, and then we have PM meaning it's nighttime. So looking at these pictures, what activities would you be doing according to if it was morning or night? And then you would glue them in the correct column. So that's the first packet that we have. And you don't have to finish this all in one day, just whenever you get a chance. This is work for the week. This one is fire safety, sort, classify, and count. So these mean that you're going to put the items down here that are safe, meaning they're not going to cause fire, and then these mean not safe, that they could potentially cause a fire. And so we would look at an iron, a pillow, a torch, or a match, I'm sorry, pencils, fire, drum set, giraffe, cookie, candle, ball. Put them where they belong, and then how many things are safe to touch. You're going to put how many are in this column, how many things are not safe to touch, and then you're going to write that number in that column. Then we have heavier and lighter, so you have to figure out between, like, if a football would be heavier than a car, or would the car be heavier than the football? So right here we're going to put the heavier item, right here we're going to put the lighter item. Lighter, heavier, lighter, heavier, heavier, lighter. You could see on the scale the side that's heavier is down lower because it weighs more than the lighter item. So you're just going to cut and glue those where you feel like they go. We're going to start measurement starting next week, so this will help to see what you guys know already. And then this is something that we haven't really done, but I thought we could start working on as well, putting things in ABC order. So when you go through the ABCs, according to where that letter is, what comes next. So you can see we have B all the way down to T. So where would these words, sop, hop, mop, cop, fall in between if we were putting them in ABC order? Then you're going to rewrite those words in the order that you have them on the ice cream cones. And then our last one, it has a little story that you guys can read for yourself. There's a lot of words that we can sound out, like dog, and then there's a lot of sight words we have here. You, see, the, and there's some color words and everything. And it wants you down here to put these pictures in order. So did the pig come first? Did the bug come first? Did the dog come first? And then did the hen come first? I'm sorry, that's not a dog, it's a pig, it's a hog. So a hog and a pig are the same thing. So just put them in order: first, next, then last. And then send that to me when you're done. And then we have one more little packet and then one more paper. So this one I thought would be fun because we're going to start working on shapes as well. Hunting for triangle shapes. So the directions, color all the triangles. So some of them are, you can tell, like this piece of pizza, big old triangle. Some of them are hiding in the different shapes. So you might say, oh, well, this isn't a triangle, this is a different shape. But then you might see it within there. So you're just going to color all of the triangles that you see. And you can do whatever color you want on there, and then it says how many triangles did you find. So then you want to write that number there on the bottom. And then this is also just to see what shapes you guys already know. Just our basic shapes. We have circles, we're going to color black. Ovals, we're going to color pink. Rectangles, brown. Triangles, white. And then you'll color your cow picture. And then at the bottom it asks how many circles, how many ovals, how many rectangles, and how many triangles. So then you'll write your numbers there on that line. And then for whatever reason we have that again. So we already went over that. So if you have that on your other packet, you don't need to do it twice, just disregard it. And then we have one more. It's comparing numbers. So which number is biggest, or which one number is smallest? So comparing, we have our 8 and our 4. Blank is less than 4. Blank is less than blank. So we want to say, does the 8 go here or does the 4 go here? If you think 4 is less than 8, then you would write those numbers. If you think 8 is less than 4, then you would write those numbers and then go on from there. And then on the back side of that one, we have our place values. So it says count each set of tens and ones, and then you're going to write your number. So we know that this rod has how many in there. If you need to count them, you can, but we have 10. So then you're going to write, how many tens do we have? We only have 1 10, so you're going to write that 1 there. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So then we're going to put our 4. So then we know we have 1 and a 4, which equals 14. And you want to do that all for all of these. So I want you guys to think, we've been talking about this a lot, about tens. How many tens are there? How many ones are there? So making sure you're writing the correct number in the right box for me. And when you're all done, you can just send that to me and I will look them over, and I'll start posting some more videos here soon. Some will be of me reading, some will be working with you guys and giving you guys work to do as well. So let me know if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks. Bye.